Turn on the light. Oh, no, no.
Ooh, that's sweet. That's what my dad did. That's what my dad does after he kills her. Where are you? Ooh, she just got away. So I have to do is get up. She disappears.
You have to get out of the fire.
Doesn't matter. Won't do anything. She's too strong. The fire doesn't hurt her.
What's depressing is how often I get a phone call from you. That's depressing.
She's about to defeat Diablo.
Why come you won't call Jason and stack out?
You are a mean, nasty bitch.
Woo! Go for me. Duh. You can't even do a repeat.
But you might got to find your own ride home. Just in case I get lucky.
What you mean if you get lucky? The standards are so low, you always get lucky.
It's enough.
Damn straight.
It's enough.
Hallelujah.
Okay, kill her. She was done talking.
Duh. She does that.
Oh, I think you defeated her.
What the fuck?
You gotta finish her off.
Did I say you took a man?
Hit her when she's down.